Good morning, class. My name is CIC2601. Uh, Today, I will show you how to calculate the probability. Uh, Before we are doing the calculation, let me remind you what is the probability. The probability is a chance that an event will happen. The probability is always between 0 and 1, and the probability formula says the probability event is equal to the number of the favorable outcome divided by the total number of all the possible outcome. Now, let us look the way of writing the probability. There are three ways of writing the probability. So the first one, you can write the probability as a fraction, or you can write the probability as a decimal, and lastly, you can write the probability as a percentage. Now, let's quickly go through in exercise 1. Dice. A die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting a 3, a number greater than 4, C, a number, or an odd number. Now, I draw a die on top. Then, when you're rolling a die 1, the sample space is equal to 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 and 6. These are the outcome that we have when you're rolling a die once. Okay, now solution. Now, let us find the probability of getting 3 in on the sample space. Yeah, let us find the probability of getting 3. If a die is rolled once, now the probability event is equal to the number of the favorable outcome, then divided by total number of all possible outcomes. Okay, the probabilities of selecting 3 is equal to. Now, let us focus on the sample space. How many 3 do we have in a sample space? On a sample space, we have 1, 3 out of how many possible outcomes? Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 possible outcomes. Now, you can leave your answer in a fraction, or you can leave your answer in a decimal, or you can leave your answer in a percentage. Question B. Uh, find the probability of getting a number greater than 4. On the sample space, now let us find a number greater than 4. On the sample space, a number that is greater than 4 is 5 and 6. So the probability event is equal to number of the favorable outcome, then divided by the total number of all the possible outcomes. Now, the probability of getting a number that is greater than 4, a number greater than 4. Now, let's just quickly go through on the sample space. On the sample space, a number that is greater than 4, we have two numbers. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 possible outcomes. Now, let us simplify 2 over 6. 2 divided by 2, it's 1 whole over. Then 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Okay, done. You can leave your answer as a fraction, you can leave your answer as a decimal, or you can leave your answer as a percentage. Now, let us look at the last question. C. Okay, C. Find the probability of getting the odd number. Now, before answering this question, let me explain what is the odd number. The odd number, a number starting from 1, skip 2, with 3, skip 4, with 5, skip 6, with 7, skip 8, 9, skip 10, up to the positive infinite. Okay. Let me write down the sample space. So, rolling a die once. Okay, with 1, 2 in our sample space, 3, 4, then 5 and 6. Now, okay. Now, on the sample space, let us find the odd number. On the sample space, the odd number that we have is 1, cancel 2, 3, cancel 4, 5, and cancel 6. Therefore, the probability of getting the odd number that we have on the sample space is 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers. We have 3 numbers out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 possible outcomes. So the odd numbers on the simple space, we have 3 numbers out of 6. Therefore, 3 over 6 is equivalent to 1 over 2. So you can leave your answer as a fraction, you can leave your answer as a decimal, and you can leave your answer as a percentage. Thanks for sharing this video. Thanks for watching this video.